So to create the waveform, I create some predefined table. So it's empty. You can see nothing is here, no chart, nothing. So we are going to use this two waveform equations like I equal to I max times sine 2 phi ft. This is a fundamental sinusoidal waveform equation, right? Then it's a harmonic waveform. It's n times 2 phi ft on sine. It is like a harmonic waveform. So here I created the delta t, that is like zero point 0.1 second. Every samples I want to create with zero point 0.1 second. So the first column here is hours is time. So you add time t. So the you start from zero obviously. Then you can add the second one. Here, if you see the second one, F5 is the first one. This is the F column and row 5, F5 plus B2 actually. In this case, delta, it's a B column and the 2 is the value zero point 0.1. But I'm not going to change this value. So I won't lock it. So if you press function F4 key or direct F4 key, this cell get locked. Then once you get locked, you can select this one, this corner and the plus sign. You drag it down and it will create the all the rows correctly based on the equations. And I select up to like 402 in this case, so to create the waveform. So we define the time now. Okay,